Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7, Video Part 2. A rectangular metal plate is 20 decimeter 65 centimeter long and 11 decimeter 28 centimeter wide. Find the perimeter of this plate. ठीक है, तो find the perimeter of this plate. ठीक है, तो to find the perimeter of this plate, first convert the unit in single length. Single unit. ठीक है, तो length is given 12 decimeter 65 centimeter. We know that 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. So 12 decimeter will be 120 centimeter plus 65 centimeter. That is your 185 centimeter. Now breadth is given 11 decimeter and 28 centimeter. It is your 110 centimeter plus 28 centimeter. That is your 138 centimeter. So perimeter we can find 2 into L plus B. That is your 185 plus 138. So that is your 646 centimeter. 646 is in the option number C. The 15th answer is option C. ठीक है? Come to question number 16. Pranav runs around a rectangular park whose length is 6 times its breadth. If Pranav completes 12 rounds of a park and so cover a distance of 3528 meter, then find the breadth of the park. Actually, a length is given L equal to 6b. And after taking the 12 round, Pranav covers this distance. So it means for one round, to find the length of the one round, we have to divide 3528 with 12. And the length of the one round covered by the Pranav, that is your perimeter of the rectangular park. So we can write P perimeter equal to 3528 divide by 12, that is equal to 294 meter. This is the perimeter of the rectangular park. But we know that 2 into L plus B is the perimeter. So L is given 6B plus B will be B only, equal to 294. This implies 7. 6 plus 1, 7B. 7 plus multiply by 2, 7 2s are 14B. This is equal to 294. This implies B equal to 2s are and 1s are 21 centimeter. Okay? We have to just find the breadth of the park. It is the B, that is your D. So 16th answer will be option D. Okay. Come to question number 17. If the in the following figure, 15 identical squares are joined. Find the area of the figure if its perimeter is 16 centimeter, 46 centimeter. Perimeter दिया हुआ है and all the squares are identical. तो suppose the length of the small square is A. ये जो length आपका दिया हुआ है small square का, that is your A. ये आपका A है. तो how many sides of the small squares are here? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 small sides are there. तो 20 multiply by A is given 46. So this implies A will be your 2.3 centimeter. Area of the small square is equal to 2.3 का स्क्वायर, साइड का स्क्वायर ही तो एरिया होता है, दैट इज योर 5.29 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Now we found the area of the small square is 5.29 centimeter square. Now how many squares are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 small squares are there. तो total area हो जाएगा आपका, total area will be equal to 15 multiplied by 5.29. Okay, when you just find the area 5.29 multiplied by 15, you will get 79.35. 79.35 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. So 17th answer will be option A. Question number 18. In the shown figure, rectangular wall PQRS of a kitchen is covered with the square tiles. Each of length is 3 centimeter. Find the area of the wall. So area of the small tile is equal to 3 multiplied by 3, that is your 9. And total number of tiles कितने हैं यहाँ पर? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So area of the total wall will be equal to 30 multiplied by 9. That is your 270 centimeter square. Okay? It is in the option number D. 18th answer will be option D. Come to question number 19. Area of a rectangle is 528 centimeter square. Length, find its length if the breadth is given. तो लेंथ इज फॉर्मूला एरिया अपॉन ब्रेड्थ. एरिया आपका दिया हुआ है 528 डिवाइड बाय 24. व्हेन यू जस्ट डिवाइड इट तो यू विल गेट 22 सेंटीमीटर. इट इज इन द ऑप्शन नंबर ए. तो 19th आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. Come to question number 20. Find the perimeter of a square whose area is 841 centimeter square. So area of a square is equal to A square, that is your 841, and 841 can be written as the square of the 29. So A will be your 29. The perimeter of the square will be 4 multiplied by 8, that is your 29. So 29 fours are, we will get 116 centimeter. It is in the option number C. तो 20 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी. ठीक है. Come to question number 21. What will be the area of a rectangle if its length is doubled and breadth is half? तो देखो, area of the rectangle, old rectangle, that is your L into B. Now area of the new rectangle, length is doubled 2L, breadth is half, B by 2. 2 cancel हो गया, that is your LB. It will remain same. So 21st answer will be option B. Come to question number 22. If the perimeter of the square is 84 centimeter, then find the area of the square whose side is triple of this square. So first find the side of the square जो आपका दिया हुआ है. Side of the square हो जाएगा आपका, perimeter is given 84 and we know that 4 multiplied by side equal to perimeter. So that's why perimeter upon 4 will be the side of the square. 4 twos are 4 ones are, that is centimeter. Now new side हो जाएगा आपका triple of this square. तो 3 multiplied by 21, that is your 63 centimeter. ठीक है. तो area of new square, area square का, न्यू स्क्वायर का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? 63 का होल स्क्वायर है ना. तो 63 का स्क्वायर वी कैन राइट इट एज 3969 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इट इज इन द ऑप्शन नंबर बी. तो 22nd आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. The length and the breadth of a rectangular park are in the ratio 4:3. Its perimeter is 126. Find the area of the park. तो ratio is 4:3. It means length is 4x, breadth is 3x. Perimeter is given 126. We know that perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. तो यहाँ हो जाएगा आपका 2 into 4x plus 3x, that is your 7x, multiply by 2, 14x. So x will be equal to 126 divided by 14, that is your 9. X equal to 9, so L will be equal to 4x, so that is your 36. B will be equal to 27x, 3x, that is your 27. So area of the rectangle will be equal to 36 multiplied by 27, that is your 972 centimeter square. It is in the option number A. So 23rd answer is option A. Come to question number 24. Find the area of the shaded portion, means the area of the complete part. So just make it in the 3 part. आप इसको 3 part में बना लो. One part is this one, other part is this one. It is your A1, it is your A2, it is your A3. A1 will be 18 multiplied by 2. A1 equal to 18 multiplied by 2, that is your 36 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. A2 हो जाएगा आपका 27 फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर 27, तो इट विल बी 27 minus 2 and minus 2. तो 25 minus 2 23. तो ये हो गया आपका 23 multiply by इसकी लेंथ फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट इज 9, एंड इफ यू जस्ट कट इट फ्रॉम हियर तो 9 minus 3, it is your 6. So 23 multiplied by 6, that is 138 centimeter square. A3 equal to 9 multiplied by 2. So it is your 18 centimeter square. After adding all these three, the total area we will get as 192 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. So 24th answer will be option B. Come to question number 25. So in the 25, by splitting the figure into rectangles, find the area. So how can we just find the area? We can just make split it as इसको आप कुछ ऐसे split कर लो. Now what is the area of this part? So this part is your 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now this area is your this is given from here to here. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now this length from here to here, this length will be your this is from here to here 2, and the dimension of this circle will be this quadrilateral, this rectangle will be your the total length from here 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 हो रहा है आपका 8, और -3 हो गया, और this side -3 हो गया. तो it is your 2, and length of this will be 6. From here to here it is 6, and here to here it is 4. So 6 minus 4, it will be your 2. So 2 2s are 4. ठीक है. So we are now with the 4 centimeter square, 18 centimeter square, and 15 centimeter square. Now we know the length of this side is 3, but we don't know the width of this. And if you just find it here, so just from the given dimension of this picture, it is difficult to find this length. So we can just try to get the answer from the option. So option is your 18 plus 4 22. The area of this part only is 18 plus 4 plus 15 and plus it is your 3 multiplied by x. 3 multiplied by x. So that is your 18 4 22 22 32 37. It is your 37 plus 3 multiplied by x. Now we just check area should be more than 37. So it can be your option C or option D. A and B is rejected as it is less than the 37. Now the remaining part after the 37, the area which will come, it should be the multiple of the 3. ये 3 का multiple भी होना चाहिए. So if we will choose 37 plus, here it is your 7. 7 is not the multiple of 3. ये 3 का multiple नहीं है. But here if we will just write 37 plus, it we can write it as 3 multiplied by 1. So ये 3 is the multiple of 1. That's why the most appropriate answer in this question will be option C. The 25th answer is option C. Come to the question number 26. A square shaded part PQRS of side 150 meter and two equal rectangular flower bed of side 15 meter and 8 meter. Okay, length of the boundary of the remaining part. तो boundary of the remaining part हो जाएगा this length. तो this length is your 150 minus 15, that is 135, and this length will be 8 only. ये आएगा, फिर ये आएगा, that is 15, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक आएगा. तो that is your 150 minus 8, तो 142 हो गया. अब फिर इसको आप इधर कर लो. तो again the same process, that is your 135, then 8 and then 15 and then this one. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया 8 और ये हो गया 15, ये हो गया आपका 142. तो length of the perimeter is will be your 135 plus 8 plus 15 plus 142 plus 135 plus 8 plus 15 and plus 142 is equal to 600 meter. Means we can say after cutting the flower bed, the perimeter of this square park is just same. It does not change. The answer will be option E. 26th answer is option E. Come to question number 27. Consider the figure given below. Okay. Based on the above figure, choose the one which is correct. Okay. The length of the outer park is 1260 meter. The length of the outer park 260 plus 140 plus 280 plus 150 plus 320 plus 120. So we will get 1270 meter, but it is given 1260. Rejected, not correct. ठीक है. The total cost of the fencing of the boundary of outer park at the rate of 15 per meter square will be this. So perimeter is 1270 and cost per meter is 15. After multiplication we will get 19050, but it is given 20050. It is also wrong. The cost of the manuring of the flower bed at the rate of 28 per square meter is this. ठीक है. तो manuring, to manure this bed, we have to find the area. Area will be your 80 multiplied by 72 multiplied by 28. So we will get 161280. It is given as 180. It means this is also wrong. All of the above will be wrong. We have to go with the none of these. So 27th answer is none of these. Come to question number 28. The cost of fencing the park shown in the following figure is this. Find the cost of fencing per meter. ठीक है, तो first check all the sides are given or not. This is given, this is given, this given. Okay, okay. This side is not given, this is given, this is given. Okay. So we can just say from here to here, it is your 440 plus 120, 065, 560. And in the 560, if we just cut 280, 560 minus 280, so it will be your 80 centimeter only. So this will be your 280. ठीक है. Now perimeter of this shape will be 180 plus 120 plus 220 plus 440 plus 170 plus 280 plus 230 plus 280. That is your 1920 meter. So cost per meter we have to find. Cost per meter, total cost 24,960 divide by the total perimeter 1920. So we will get 13 rupees. 13 rupees is the cost per meter. That is in the option number C. The 28th answer is option C. Okay. If you understood all the questions explained here, so like this video. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.